Today I'm here in airport, Hamad International Airport, and I'm staying right now in Orex Lounge since my ticket back to Philippines is business class, and this is my first time booking on a business class, going on a trip via business class. So, ang ganda ng lounge, talaga namang very amazing. And you will have enough food here. All the foods served here is free. Lahat, ang sasarapan ng food. Ito yung itsura ng lounge nila. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo naman. So, the lounge here is very nice, very cozy, very relaxing. Talaga siya, ang ganda lang. Ayun guys, bababa na ako because our morning timing is 4:35. So, yeah. So, ang ganda lang talaga ng lounge nila dito. Very comfortable at talagang marirelax ka. So, mamaya ulit. Anyway guys, I actually go down searching for the gate where I am going to board kasi the boarding time is exactly 4:35 in order for me not to be late and to avoid any delays. Ganon. But then, it seems like the gate is so far from here that I really need to walk like 10 to 15 minutes, but it's okay. At you know what, ang ganda dito kasi mayroon silang metro tram dito mismo sa loob ng airport. As you can see, kanina dumaan lang kanina sa likuran ko yung metro tram nila. Sadyang napakaganda ang airport na to, Hamad International Airport. You really are one of the greatest airport in the world. Guys, pasakay na ako ng eroplano. So yan, dito na ako, pasakay na ako. Ang ingay pa sa aking likuran, but anyway, pasakay na ako ng Kuwait Airways. So yan, bound to Kuwait kasi ako, tapos from Kuwait to Manila. So yun, mamaya ulit pagdating ko sa Kuwait. Dito na ako sa lounge sa Kuwait, kararating lang. Maganda yung mga food dito, oh. Libre yan lahat basta business class. Anyway, right now I'm currently here in Oasis Lounge here at Kuwait Airport at nandito na ako at ang ganda ng lounge. So this is what you get when you purchase a business class ticket. So hello guys, nandito na ako sa airline, Kuwait Airways nga, nakaboard na ako and so far okay naman ang feeling ng naka business class. So iba pala yung isa. So pagka yung mga super may mga may mga sarado na. So very comfortable naman pala pagka naka business class. So guys, the moment you board on the airline, Kuwait Airline, for the business class, they will automatically serve you with a cup of juice, either orange juice or lemonade. This is what they offer to us. Lemonade or juice. But there are lots of offerings naman. Also, meron ding isa dito which I don't know what it is. This one, ayun, hindi mo na ako masyadong makapagsalita ng bonggang-bongga. Hello guys. So ayun, binigyan kami ng Christian Lacroix. So ito ang binigay sa ng Kuwait Airways for us here sa business class. So meron siyang comb, diba, unboxing na to, ganyan, at saka kung ano-ano pa yan siya, medyas at all of that. Ang ganda naman yan. So yun. So ayun guys, dahil busog na busog kayo kanina sa lunch, so what we requested is karak lang. Ayoko kumain na kasi super busog talaga. So karak na lang tayo for life kasi busog talaga ako kanina. Grabe, ang dami kong kinain. So no space for bagong pagkain for now. Okay na ako sa karak. Tapos yung iba kumakain na sila. Basta ako karak lang. welcome to the Philippines